Hi everyone! I'd like to invite you to my new masterclass, Realistic Flowers Cookie Set. In this lesson, we'll create 4 completely different flowers together. Each design uses its own technique and will help you learn new ways to work with royal icing. Every step is shown and explained in detail, and the techniques are structured to guide you step by step as you create realistic flowers with beautiful volume and natural details. For each of my master classes, I create STL files for 3D printed cookie cutters. They're included with every course. If you don't have access to a 3D printer, the course also includes ready-to-use paper templates. They make it easy to cut out all the shapes by hand, so you can recreate every design from the class. We'll also color the royal icing together and learn the right consistency for each stage of decorating. I strive to make my lessons as clear and easy to follow as possible. I explain every step in detail, share important tips along the way, and show the entire process step by step so you can confidently recreate each design. If you'd like to create this set together with me, you'll find the link to the masterclass in the description below this video. Now let's take a look at what you'll be making in this lesson.